In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Carnival Hub app. First, you need to open the Google Play Store if you have an Android device or the App Store if you are using an iPhone. On your screen, you will see the familiar logo of the store. Tapping on it will take you to a world of apps. This step is essential because it is the gateway to downloading the Carnival Hub app. You will want to ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once the store is open, you are ready for the next step. Next, search for Carnival Hub in the search bar of the store. This bar is usually located at the top of the screen. As you type, you will see suggestions pop up. Make sure to type Carnival Hub correctly to find the right app. This is important because there may be other apps with similar names. Once you find it, your screen will display a list of results and you want to focus on the one that specifically shows Carnival Hub by Carnival Cruise Lines. From there, select Carnival Hub by Carnival Cruise Lines. You will recognize it by its unique logo and design. Tapping on it will take you to the app's dedicated page. Here you will find more information about the app, including features and user ratings. This step matters because it ensures you are downloading the official app and not a knockoff. Once you are confident this is the right app, you can proceed to the next step. Now tap Install if you are on Android or Get if you are using an iPhone. This button is prominently displayed on the app's page. When you tap this, you may need to confirm your action, especially on iPhones where it might ask for your Apple ID or Face ID. This step initiates the download process, which is crucial for getting the app onto your device. You might see a progress bar indicating that the app is downloading. Wait for the app to download and install. During this time, your screen will show the progress of the download. It is important to be patient, as this may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you will see a notification or an icon appear on your home screen. This indicates that the app is ready for use. Next, open the Carnival Hub app by tapping its icon on your device. As the app launches, you will be greeted by a welcoming screen that showcases the features available to you. This is the moment you've been waiting for, as it means you can now access all the functionalities of the app. The design is user-friendly, making it easy for you to navigate. After that, sign in with your Carnival account or create one if needed. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. This step is vital because it allows you to access your reservations, onboard activities, and more. If you do not have an account, you can follow the prompts to create one. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and set up the Carnival Hub app. You are now ready to explore everything it has to offer. This app will enhance your cruise experience by keeping you connected and informed. Enjoy your journey with Carnival.